Suburban living is, to us, it comes close to being in an idealistic world. When you start looking at how the suburbs are being designed and planned, it is mostly to de-stress the city life. That is what suburban living to us really means, to be able to cope with the stress that life throws at us, and to be able to do it gracefully, and be able to manage your work-life balance.
If I am in the city, I can't approach anybody, just like that I can't go and approach anybody for help. Here I get more help, and I get to spend time with my friends. There are limited number of houses, so for anything and everything we have to depend on each other. So we are very close. That didn't happen in the city.
There is no noise pollution, nor is there any dust pollution. I think one has to take a walk early in the morning. I do take walks every day. I am a fitness freak to a certain extent, and I find that the air is so nice to breathe. You feel so fit, and we have lovely neighbors around. Unlike living in a city, one gets to interact with them more, and we are so much more closer.
Here especially it is more of like-minded people, because people who have moved in here into our community especially.
Yeah, to live in suburbs, I think a lot of us made a conscious choice of coming and being here. We stayed in the US for a long time, and out there we had experienced suburban living. Most of us have had exposure to Western culture, lived in different parts of the world, and eventually we came down to settle down and be here to raise families. So I think in that sense it's a great place for us.
When I was living in the city also, I had all these malls and cinema, the theaters close to me, but I hardly used to go there. I was more of a person who wanted to be out with nature, and something where I could do something constructive instead of just going around in the malls or watching movie every second day. When we came in to see this place, my family just fell in love with this place, and they said it's perfect. I think we should move in. And then of course I've had a few friends who've come here. Initially they had that inhibition of it's too far away from the city, but once they are here, then they don't want to go back.